Hello friends, today we will solve a question on wave motion. So the question says that a sound wave is propagating in a medium in the plus x direction at a speed of 360 meters per second. At a given instant, a snapshot of the plot of displacement d of the various particles of a medium from their equilibrium position taken along y-axis versus the position x of the particle on the x-axis is shown in the figure below. The incorrect option is A. The amplitude of the wave is 5 cm. This is true because the amplitude is the maximum displacement of the particle from the mean position. So it is 5 cm, 5 millimeters. So A is true, but we are asked the incorrect option. So this is wrong. The frequency of the wave is 9000 Hertz. So the frequency is equal to 1 upon time period. Since we know speed is equal to distance by time, and the speed or the velocity for a wave is given as 360, and the wavelength of the wave is 40 centimeters from 0 to 40. The distance traveled in one oscillation, so it is 40 centimeters upon the time we have to find out. So it is the speed is given in meters per second, so we will convert it into centimeter per second. So we get the speed as 36000 centimeters per second. Now we have to find the frequency in hertz. The frequency is 1 upon time period. So the 1 upon time period is the distance, the speed 36000 centimeter per second upon the wavelength, which is 40. So the frequency of the wave is 36000 upon 40, and cancelling it we get 900 is equal to 1 upon time period, and we know that 1 upon time period is equal to frequency. So the frequency is 900 Hertz. So this statement is correct, but we are asked the incorrect option, so this will not be the answer. After 0.01 second, the true of the wave will occur at x equals 20 cm and x equals 40 cm. We can see that this choice is incorrect because the wavelength of the wavelength is the distance between two consecutive troughs or two consecutive peaks. So the wavelength is 40 centimeters, but here the distance between two consecutive troughs is only 20 centimeter. So this is not possible because we know that the wavelength is 40 centimeters, but in this choice the wavelength is given as 20 centimeters. So C can be the incorrect option. Now the D choice says that this wave will travel a distance of 1.62 kilometers along the x-axis in 4.5 seconds. So in 4.5 seconds, we have to find the distance traveled by the wave. So the distance is, we know that speed is equal to distance by time, or the speed is 360 is equal to 1.62 by 4.5. We will take the distance as d, and then we will find if the choice is correct or not. So we get 360 into 4.5 is equal to 1.6 is equal to d meters, because 360 is given in meter per second and the choice is also in seconds. So we get 36 into 45 or 1620 meters. 1620 meters is equal to 1.62 kilometers, and so this choice is correct. So this cannot be our answer. So our answer is C. After 0.01 second, the draw of the wave will occur at x equals 20 centimeter and x equals 40 centimeter. Thank you.